Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert column in your Google Sheet. If you're working in a Google Sheet and you need more columns to be inserted in your sheet, then you can insert it by Google Sheet. If you have to watch this video to know how to insert column in your Google Sheet, you have to go to this insert option. You can see from this bar, click this insert option. You can see there are a lot of options: column left, column right, cells shift down, cells shift right. First of all, you have to select the column where you want to insert a new column. For example, I'm selecting this. When you have selected a column, then go to option insert, click this, put the column. If you want to put a column on right side, you have to click the column right option, and if you want to click on left, you have column left option. Click this, and here we got a new column. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.